Hello guys, so here we have genuine oil filter of Suzuki. So you can see print here. This filter is used for about 6,000 to 7,000 kilometers. Now today we are going to see what's its condition, whether it has done his job or not. Let's cut it out. Oh, here you can see the oil spill like you are slaughtering an animal. So we have to continue. Little more work is needed and we are very close, just a few more cuts. So finally we are successful in removing the top cover. Here you can see the top lid has been removed, and here we have anti-backflow rubber or seal. You can see its condition. It fits like there, and then here is the main filter element. Beneath is the spring to keep it at place, and at the bottom is the bypass valve in case the filter gets choked. As you can see the condition, it is very good to me. Nearly no particles can be seen and the condition is very good. So an engine seems to be performing very well and the filter condition is also very good. You can see in image. So it shows that the original filter is doing its job. It is even absorbing microparticles, metal particles, and condition seems very good to me. It can even be driven to about 10,000 kilometers. So I think the claim is okay. It can be used for 10,000 kilometers. Now let's see what's inside the paper, condition of paper. Let's see. So here we have successful in cutting the paper out. Let's see its condition from inside. So I have to remove it, but it is very difficult as adhesive is very strong. So here you can see the filter paper from inside is also very clear and in good condition. So it's did its job very well, and I recommend the original components. Thank you, and